Students, we are going to start with 12 number topic, nouns, gender. It is on page number 35. So the heading is gender. In this, noun can be classified into 4 types of gender. Gender क्या होता है? लिंग. हिंदी में इसे कहते हैं लिंग. तो उसके 4 प्रकार है. That is masculine यानी पुल्लिंग, feminine that is स्त्रीलिंग, कॉमन जेंडर अभय लिंग, न्यूट्रल जेंडर नपुंसक लिंग. अभी हम जिस जाति का इसमें हमें बोध होता है, यानी हमें एक वर्ड जो वर्ड होता है उससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि ये स्त्रीलिंग है या पुल्लिंग है. तो ऐसे वर्ड्स हमें अभी फाइंड आउट करके हमें वो जेंडर, व्हाट इज द जेंडर, वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई दैट. सो हियर आई एम गोइंग यू सम ऑफ द एग्जांपल्स. मस्कुलाइन में अगर एग्जांपल है मैन, कॉक, टाइगर, पीकॉक, ये सब पुरुष जाति की इसमें कैटेगरी में आते हैं. तो इसके लिए हम इसको मस्कुलाइन जेंडर कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट है फेमिनिन जेंडर स्त्री जाति में जैसे वुमेन, हैन, टाइग्रेस, पीहैन. सो दिस आर द वर्ड्स इन फेमिनाइन जेंडर. अब न्यूट्रल जेंडर यानी कॉमन अभी क्या होता है, जो स्त्रीलिंग और पुल्लिंग दोनों में आता है, और उसे हिंदी में कौन सा लिंग कहते हैं, अभय लिंग. तो अब यहाँ पे हम लोग एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे. चाइल्ड, डॉक्टर, ड्राइवर, पायलट, स्टूडेंट. सो चाइल्ड कैन बी अ baby boy or a baby girl. So doctor can also be a feminine और masculine. इस तरह से हम लोग कॉमन जेंडर आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे. न्यूट्रल जेंडर, नाउन्स दैट डू नॉट हैव अ जेंडर, जिसके अंदर जेंडर ही नहीं होता है, वो होता है नपुंसक लिंग यानी न्यूट्रल जेंडर. जैसे ट्री, बस, पेन, कार, स्ट्रीट, ये वर्ड्स हमें न्यूट्रल जेंडर में आते हैं, जिससे हमें कोई लिंग का भेद नहीं, जाति नहीं समझ में आती है. तो वो कौन से वर्ड्स होते हैं, वो है नपुंसक लिंग. सो ऑन दिस पेज 35 पेज नंबर पैराग्राफ इज गिवन. सो इन दिस पैराग्राफ वी हैव टू रीड दैट पैराग्राफ, एंड इन दैट पैराग्राफ some words are red in color. So we have to see that words and recognize them and see whether they are masculine, feminine, common or neutral genders. So it is the word girls. You can identify the girls word. It may be feminine. Boys, masculine. So card is your, which you can say it is neutral gender. So child is a common gender. So this way we can identify the genders from these words. So just revise with the definition now. See the green color box is there. We are going to move towards as a noun that signifies a male is said to be a masculine gender. A noun that signifies a female is said to be as feminine gender. A noun that signifies a non-living or lifeless things is said to be as neutral gender. A noun that signifies both male and female is said to be as common gender. यानी इसमें दोनों मेल और फीमेल आते हैं, वो होता है कॉमन जेंडर. और न्यूट्रल जेंडर नॉन लिविंग और लाइफलेस थिंग्स, जिसके अंदर जान नहीं होती, ऐसी चीज़ें न्यूट्रल जेंडर में आती है. और जिसमें फीमेल के बारे में होता है वो होते हैं फेमिनिन. Male, you can understand, that is masculine. So girls belong to the feminine gender, boys belong to the masculine gender, cards belong to the neutral gender, and the child belongs to the common gender. So hope you have understood this. Moving towards the exercise A, rewrite the sentences changing the gender of the highlighted nouns, making other necessary changes. See, some sentences are given and some few words are printed in red color. So look at that color and as well as the sentence. So first I am going to read for you. My mother went to market with my brother. So my mother is a feminine and brother is masculine. So you have to just change that gender and rewrite that sentence again. My mother, then we have to write father. Don't write mother, write father. My father went to the market with my sister. So second, my nephew invited me and my aunt for the party. So my niece invited me and my uncle for the party. So you can understand what changes we have made in the sentences. We have just changed the masculine into feminine gender and changed the words in this sentence. So in this way we have to complete from 1 to 8 all the sentences. See the proper sentence building, and this proper changes should be given in this sentences. To masculine to feminine, feminine is given, you can make into masculine. So you have to complete this exercise. Now moving towards exercise B on page number 36. So you have to just underline the common nouns in this paragraph given, and then distribute this into masculine, feminine, common or neuter gender. So just read out that paragraph. I cannot forget my last birthday. Underline birthday. My uncle gifted me a watch while my mother baked a cake for me. In school, all my teachers and friends gave me birthday cards. My sister called me from Delhi and wished me. My father bought a bicycle. My aunt Geeta came home with her little baby. So in this paragraph, we have to just underline the common words that are birthday, uncle, watch, mother, cake, school, teachers, friends, birthday, cards, sister, father, bicycle, aunt, home, baby. These are the common nouns. So in this below that columns are given. So you have to just fill up that columns with this words. See, birthday. It is which gender you can say? It is neuter gender. Uncle is masculine gender. So you have to write uncle under masculine gender column. So watch. Watch is a which gender you can say? Neuter gender. So you have to write it under neuter gender. In this way you have to fill up this columns properly. Okay. You can see it in that picture how I have filled up. You have to do the same. So again moving towards the exercise C, on same page, solve the crossword puzzles with opposite gender of the given clue. So across and down words are given.